Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here at Little Andaman, Vivekananda Pur. So today in this video I am going to show you little bit areas of Vivekananda Pur, how beautiful it is. So let's get started. This is Vikepur market. Today Sunday, weekly one day they used to close all the shops rather than necessary shop. Maximum shops will be closed. So you can see, have a look at this market. Guys, this is Government Secondary School Vivekananda Pur. This is the school where I have spent my entire childhood. From class 1 to class 10 I have studied here. Lots of memories are there. And here, this is the ground of this school. I have played so many games here. And just in front of this school they have made this beautiful park, Vivekananda Park. It's very beautiful park. You can enjoy evening time. If you come here, it will feel very good. So have a look. So this is the main road. If we go straight this way, this road is go up to Hut Bay, 0 kilometer, where all the offices and all are situated, and jetty also, boat come there only. And this side is the market, Vikepur market. So I am going to show you. Dongi Ghat is there. It's a beautiful place. From there, Dongi Ghat, lots of donkeys will be there. So from there we have reached Dongi Ghat. I am very happy to see this. Lots of development work is going on here. Some kind of building they are making here in this ghat, and I will show you these donkeys. Let's see. See, these donkeys are kept here. From this is a small river, you can say. So this river, it's connected to big one, and that river is connected to sea. So if you want to go to sea from here, you can go by with these boats. Lots of boats kept here, and you can have a look of the water, how clear water is. See, crystal clear water is flowing in this river. We usually call it as Nala. And this is the hall ghar. Old hall ghar, new hall is under construction. This is the place where we used to celebrate Durga Puja, and Mela used to, whatever Mela shops used to set there. We generally come here and enjoy very much all the functions and whatever festivals we used to celebrate here only. So in front of this hall, it's a very big banyan tree. It's Bargat ka ped, you can see. It's very old one. If you come to Little Andaman, you can see lots of arecanut trees, coconut trees. Here, most of the peoples are fully dependent on these arecanuts and coconuts. So if you come here, you can see lots of see how synchronized all the trees are there. It's looking very beautiful. Have a look on this. It's nice. Okay, just now we came to a farm in Vivekananda Pur, and we have seen so many fruit trees. I want to show you this. See, this is a guava tree. In this tree, I found these two ripe guava. See, one other tree is also there. Custard apple tree is also there. You can see. This is the custard apple. This is small one, not yet ripe. So after ripe only we can take this. So okay, I will show you some more fruit trees. This is jackfruit tree. Small jackfruit is there. It's not yet ripe. So you can have this also, like vegetable. And here this side you can see this is wood apple tree. We generally call it as bale. We in the summer season we used to drink this wood apple juice. It's very yummy and tasty. One more fruits are there. You can see sapota tree. Lots of sapota are there. You can have. It's very tasty, yummy. You can have. So if you go to any farm in Vikepur or in any other, you can see lots of fruit trees are there. Some fruit tree I have shown you. And one more vegetable. This is, you can see it is a vegetable tree. It's a drumstick tree. You can see drumstick is there, up there. So today I came back to Port Blair. If you like the video, please subscribe my video, like and share. Thank you.